In this lesson, I will show you one of the probably most powerful list building features that Facebook has to offer. And that feature is called Lookalike Audience. Lookalike audiences are great. I'm in love with them because they make everything so much easier. And they make building lists way more efficient and a lot cheaper. And yet there are only a few marketers and businesses out there that use lookalike audiences on a daily basis. In case you haven't used lookalike audiences yet, hey, seriously, use them, okay? You will discover in the next few videos what lookalike audiences are, how to use them, and how to use them to build up a huge list easily and very efficiently. Hope that sounds great to you. So let's get started. What are lookalike audiences? Well, lookalike audiences are about one thing, and that is similarity. You know, when people try to grow their list with Facebook, then they use the interest targeting section, which is great. Interest targeting is a really fantastic way to grow a list if you're starting out. But as soon as you start accumulating data, then, you know, there are really a lot of businesses, I would say like 95%, they still stick to interest targeting, to the very basic targeting function that Facebook has to offer. And they do not take the next step, which is a huge and terrible mistake because they are missing a great opportunity. So lookalike audiences are about similarity. What you can do is asking Facebook to kind of duplicate and multiply your current audience. So you can use the internal data that you accumulated. Let's say you accumulated an email list, or you accumulated a list of conversions. So you know exactly who made it on your list. Don't worry about it. I just want you to understand the basic concept. We'll talk about how to use these custom audiences and conversions later. But you know, you're kind of tracking some user behavior. You know who converted. You have a list of people that either bought from you or they just subscribed to your newsletter. So you can use that data. Then you knock on Facebook's door. Mark Zuckerberg opens the door and you tell him, hey, Mark, here's my data. Can you clone my audience? Mark will say, yes, give me 15 minutes. And after 15 minutes, Mark will, he will take a look at your core demographics of your target audience, okay? He'll take a look at who these people are. What's their age? Where do they live? Are they male? Are they female? What are their interests? So, Facebook knows basically everything about their users. So you kind of provide that data to Facebook. Facebook checks it. It creates some kind of customer avatar, and then you can multiply the target audience. Okay, so if you have some sort of conversions or a custom audience like an email list, just seriously, I'll show you how to upload to Facebook, and then you multiply that group of people that is proven to work. These people made it on your list. So there's apparently something about your business that a certain group of people likes. Here's what we have to do. We just have to reach more people who are similar to the ones that already worked out for our business, okay, or for your business. And lookalike audiences are incredibly powerful because as soon as you have some data and you say like, okay, that's great. I have like 1,000, 2,000 people on my list, or even just like 300-400. How can I reach more of the ones who already made it on my list? Pretty simple. With lookalike audiences, it really just takes a couple of minutes to set up a lookalike audience and to use it to build up a list. And this is what I will show you in the next video. So seriously, the basic concept of lookalike audiences is similarity. You ask Facebook to take a look at your data to create some kind of customer avatar that will get kind of multiplied. Okay, Facebook will clone your customers, your subscribers, and then provide that audience to you and tell you, hey, here's a group of people that is similar to the ones that already opted in, that bought from you already. If you want, you can reach out to them. And then you just create an ad, serve that ad to them. You send these people to your squeeze page, And that's a great way how you can build up a list. So lookalike audiences are great. That's the basic concept of lookalike audiences. And in the next video, I will show you how to set up a lookalike audience inside Facebook.